Now, in response, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green rejected assertions that fisherfolk in Whitehouse, Westmoreland haven't been getting assistance. The minister told TVJ News that one of the complainants in our story received $1 million.
Already for the Whitehouse Fishing Beach, $8 million has been distributed, including persons like Trevor Cole, who have received $1 million in direct support. This is the biggest ever intervention in terms of a direct cash grant that the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries has ever given out. And we are providing some smaller boat repair grants.
Now, he said there are other initiatives in the pipeline.
The Whitehouse Fishing Beach in Westmoreland was one of the first fishing beaches that we intervened. In fact, we've distributed over 200 rolls of wire at the Whitehouse Fishing Beach, touching a number of fishers. But that's just a part of our intervention in the Whitehouse. We're now undertaking a $34 million renovation program. Their fishing house was entirely destroyed.